Well, it's not that it's
time
not
is
accurate. It's just that we use the word future to mean a thing. We know the future doesn't exist because it can never exist.
No, that's not true.
This is all some slippery language. This is all some slippery language shenanigans.
I'm just saying
but we know
that the
this is
universe
not the case
has
because we
already
know that
ended. Like it's already there.
That's not true, goddammit.
But it's not
because
here
time
now.
is
It's in the
real.
future. It's in the future. There's time between now and then. In this moment that I'm speaking.
Okay, but so Digi, are you just talking about like the I forget what the term is. Like the time is it's
deterministic.
There is a path that's
deterministic.
established. That's the word. That's the word I'm looking for.
Yeah,
is that what you're trying to say right now?
Maybe the universe is fully deterministic, and like the end is already written into the beginning, and like it's all on a set path.
Actually, you know what? That's a great topic to bring up because I literally believe that there is no reason to not think that the universe is 100% deterministic. Because the only way that you could object to that is to argue that free will exists in some way, and that the agents within the universe.
Argument
no,
makes
that's
no
not
sense
true
at all.
because
the existence of free will makes no sense.
Exactly.
No, you don't have to argue for free will to argue against determinism because there could still be random. There could still be randomness.
That's true.
I'm
no, okay, but wait,
but right now.
but the only way you can make that argument is that you have to say that there is some force that acts on the universe outside of like just physics.
No, that's not true.
Because otherwise,
can say
everything just
randomness.
operates.
Some things can just be random. Why not?
But why would they? Okay, but why would they? Randomness isn't actually like real.
Prove it.
As I
Prove it.
understand it.
Is there any evidence for randomness?
Yes.
Okay, but I would
What
say
is
the
the
burden for
evidence
this
for
lies on you
randomness?
guys.
Okay.
I would say that what I'm saying is that there are only like the types of forces that exist that we know of, like in terms of physics as we understand it now. Things happen the way they would have happened based on cause and effect.
No.
So
yeah, I see what the
there's
argument
randomness.
is. No. Like I see what the argument for not randomness is. Say if everybody does the exact same muscle movement throughout the entire history of the universe, anything that can move moves in exactly the same way every single time. Physics would follow. I think is the idea.
Yeah,
look, I just
like
want
if the whole universe reset.
It was going to fall because a person stepped on it twice. And if they step on it, like the exact history of them getting to that place with that particular shoe and stepping on it exactly the same way twice in another version of the same universe, it would fall at the exact same time, the exact same way.
Let me just get this out there so we can proceed with this knowledge. Like the most fundamental physical things and events happen at a small enough scale, and at that scale, things are determined randomly. Like our best understanding of the universe is that things literally are entirely built on probabilities.
Isn't that just our best understanding?
Well, it might be. It might
if
just
our best understanding.
It might just be our best understanding. There could be something underlying it that is deterministic, but we don't know that. And why would we think that there necessarily has to be?
It just doesn't seem like it makes any sense for
anything
to be
that's a great fucking argument. It doesn't
feel
right. It doesn't feel right.
Why would we operate on it?
Well,
if we don't know that it's true.
I'll fucking destroy. Well, that's our best. That's our best knowledge. Our best knowledge indicates that. Is it the absolute truth? I don't know, but it's the best we got.
I would say there's a difference between like functionally random and like truly random.
This is truly random. This is truly random. Our best understanding is that this is based on true randomness.
Knowledge. Here we go. Here's some knowledge. Photons. They're like what do you call them? Paradoxical. Like they can exist in two places at once, provably. They did like I can't remember what it was called. There's an experiment where they fire a single photon in a thing. And instead of like it being like a dot that hits one, like this sheet of something that detects photons, it was like they shot it and it like appeared in multiple places, even though it was just one thing and it didn't split.
Yeah, it's Young's double slit experiment. And it's not that the photons are. I don't want to get into it.
But hang on. Okay, so something...
it's hard.
It's possible that something could exist in two places at once, but that's different from random. Like, if you find that... If you did the experiment again... Okay.
Since we're on this topic, I'll flex my nuts a little bit more and say that it's not so much that they exist at multiple places at once, it's that their existence is spread across a continuum of probabilities of location. And that those probabilities... Okay, so like the existence is a waveform of probability that it like undulates beyond, like through space, and that a measurement of the photon's location will determine will localize it and determine that it's actually located at just one of those places. But until the measurement is made, it is not localized to that place. It is a spread of probabilities.
Okay, but here's my question. If under the exact same circumstances, we were able to, like, okay, we reset the universe and we